Alright guys, how's it going? Here's one of my favourites that I like to carry. It's the Sitivien St130. Yeah, 130. There it is there. And it's in 14C 2018. It's a good sized blade. Let's have a look at the measurements. We're over 3.5 inches of blade here. Overall length just under 8.5, and the blade thickness on this one, it ain't thin, it's about 3.5 millimeter blade stock there. So it's a solid blade, yet we've got this nice flat grind, and Sitivien do know how to put an edge on their knives, which is always a plus if you're making knives. I laugh because so many of the higher end companies, particularly here in the US, do not know how to put an edge on a knife, or if they do, they're not doing it. Anyway, one of my pet hates, but I love this knife. Runs nice and easy on the brass bronze caged bearings, and let's get into it. Let's take it apart and have a look inside. There's not a lot inside. What you notice straight away on the stainless liners is there's no lightning holes there, so they are solid slabs, but I think it works right with this knife because the balance, the weight, the balance is somewhere around there. The balance is hard for you to see. So the balance is around about there. It just feels nicely balanced knife. And it's not too heavy. Let's throw it on the scale, see what it weighs in it. 4.2 ounces, 4.2 for a EDC. It's on the heavier side, but it's a bigger knife, so I don't think that's bad weight for that size knife, you know. So anyway, it's just a really cool knife. So let's get into it, take it apart and see what's going on inside. Alright, there we go, back together, perfectly centered blade. Yeah, very nice knife this one. I like the mica, because I've carried it such a lot. The mica has really got that worn in, it feels almost like snakeskin. It's darkened up, you know, oils in your hand and whatnot. Really good knife. I like this knife a lot. Highly recommend it. Not a lot of money for a really useful blade. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you later, guys.